welcome to my retail therapy. We are unboxing the Disney Villains Tarot deck, and this is a much anticipated deck, and it is just so gorgeous. It is gorgeously packaged. It makes a nice gift. It's a nice clamshell gift box right here, and it is wrapped in the plastic wrap. What I noticed was this does have a good weight to it. Also, the printing on this packaging is gorgeous. It's got gold embossing. It's got spot gloss on the top of the box, which it's just that extra glossy on the top. It's really beautiful. This is the guidebook that comes with the deck, and it even has some suggested simple layouts that you can do if you're asking questions or you want to read a fortune. They have like a poison apple spread and diamond in the rough spread that are featured in there as well. And everything has this purple, kind of luxurious purple, as the deep dark color, which is, very Disney. Also, what I noticed was that these cards, they feel like a PVC paper that's real durable, and at times it feels like I'm picking up two cards because they're so thick. So I think this is a really good deck if you're looking for something for a gift, a Disney lover who, somebody who loves Disney. This is great for them. If you're thinking of a birthday party for kids or maybe a Halloween party and you're going to have a fortune teller, this is a great deck because, the characters are going to be characters that they're familiar with, and it's not going to be too scary. Wonderful idea. But these cards are thick. They seem like they will hold up for a while, and they're matte. So if you're taking pictures with these cards, you're not going to have that high gloss finish which reflects light. Or if you're going to be using these on camera, if you're planning on doing some online or live streaming readings, the thing about these cards is that kind of satin matte finish that these cards have. And so you can see sometimes I feel like I'm picking up one or two cards there because they're so thick. And all of these characters are from all of the Disney movies, of course. And this is based on the traditional 78 card deck. So you do have 78 cards in here. And it features all the villains from your famous and classic Disney films like 101 Dalmatians, The Little Mermaid, Sleeping Beauty, and just, reimagines the characters like Cruella de Vil, Ursula, Maleficent, all of the bad guys from our favorite movies. So it does include the both major and minor arcana of the set of the tarot deck. And it also in that guidebook is going to give you the meanings of all of these cards. So it's going to make it super easy for you to do your fortune telling. Just a beautiful deck, and look at that artwork. Your favorite Disney villain? I have to say mine is maybe Maleficent. Really beautiful, really fun cards. They do feel like they might repel. I don't know how waterproof they are, but they do have that PVC in the cardstock. So it does feel like, it'll hold up. They feel just durable. So I think these are great for little hands and big hands alike. There's Maleficent. And look how thick the deck is. It's pretty darn thick. And of course, that beautiful purple on the back. And that is the Disney Villains Tarot deck. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and found it helpful. Enjoy your tarot and your fortune telling.